So guys, here you can see it. One more video has been made about the Django, and in today's Django video, I'm telling about how to deploy a Django. In the deploy a Django, I tell you about how to create a requirement. If you don't know how to create a requirement in Django, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it if you see this video start to end. And please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss a future latest videos. So I did not take a long time. So let's move from your screen and let's learn about how to create a requirements and deploy Django. So let's move from your screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling you about how to deploy a Django and how to create a requirements. And if you don't know what is that and how to do this, how to create a requirements in today's video, the whole concept will be clear about it. I know this videos also be smaller because in this type of videos we not know anybody not make this type of videos. I'm only making for you because I'm telling you from the scratch, and I'm making the videos in the parts. I'm not making the video in one video. That's why the video is smaller of Django. So, but without wasting our time, let's get started. Now, lock in dependencies. When you create a Django application, when you create any type of Django application, there are some Python packages that our project depends on. Means like if you are making any Django application or Django app or anything, there are some type of Python packages like Flask or Tkinter or any type of packages that your project depends on. Django itself is a Python package. Means that Django itself is a Python package. Means that the Django is a Python package, and we have to make sure that the server where we deploy our project also has the Django package installed and all the other packages your project requires. Luckily, there is one command for this as well. Just run this command in the command view. Which type of command? This type of command. Where? Let me tell you. Run this command on your command prompt. Py -m pip freeze and then requirement .txt. So this type of one output has been came, and then you run this code in your Visual Studio Code terminal also. Then the result of the command is a file called requirement.txt begin created in your project. Okay, how to create it? If you are using Visual Studio Code, check the Visual Studio Code. You write this type of command. Then in your Visual Studio Code, this type of file has been made. I am using Replit, so in my Replit, I write this type of command. How? Let me show you. First of all, let me write here Replit. So it take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily as. And when it will be opened, so let me tell you what we can do. First of all, we right click and let me make one file. Okay, right click and log out it. Or let me erase this file, delete it, and let me make one file of the Django. You use the extracting file which you are using it. Now I am clicking the continue with Google, and when I click on the continue with Google. So what can I do? Let me tell you. It take a little bit loading, but it will be open very easily. Yes, and let me open my email. And when I open it my email, so it take a little bit loading, but it will be open very easily. Yes, like that. Let me close my command prompt. So now it has been opened. So in that email, I have created my Django file already. So I open my that file, and here what we can in my shell. If you are using the if you are using the Replit, so you write it in your shell. What? Let me show you. In your shell, you write this type of command. First of all, let me paste it. Now, py /m, and then what you can do, you write here pip freeze require req and then ments.txt, like that. When you write it, so one file will be made it by the name of that. Let me see where it has been made it. let me see. Here you can see this type of one requirement.txt file has been made it like that. Here you can see it. Now, the result above command is file called requirement.txt begin created in your project. Here you can see it. My file has been made by the name of requirement.txt. Now, your file contains all packages that this project depends on with this content, like this type of packages, and like that it is coming like that. This type of package has been came. Now, note that you can create this file on your own and insert the packages manually. Just make sure you get all packages your project depends on, and you must name your file requirement.txt must, okay? Not give you file name like notepad.txt. Your file must name is requirements.txt. Now the hosting provider knows which packages to install when we deploy our project. But Elastic Beanstalk needs more information. Go to the next chapter to create an ebconfig file. In the next chapter, we create an ebconfig file. So in today's video, we see that how to create a requirements, and I have told you how to create a requirements. Only you write this type of command like pi/m pip free then greater than sign then requirement.txt. Not give your file name like notepad.txt like that. Give your file name requirement.txt. So here you can say when your file has been made it like that, and your file requirement.txt file is made it in your packager files here. Okay. So now in the next video we see how to create the ebconfig file. So I hope you can enjoy this class. I know this video is smaller, like I have told you in my starting. We are making the video in the part. I'm not telling in the single video, so that's why the video is smaller. But I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future videos. So I meet you next class. And for the business inquiries, please email me. And what is my email? My email is rayanbeg1253@gmail.com. This is my business inquiries email. If you want some promotion of your website, so in that email you will be told me, okay, then I will be connect with you and I will reply you. Okay, this my email is rayanbeg1243. Wrote down out. Okay. So, but I'm meeting you next video. I'm making that type of video. So for today, goodbye.